Hi, welcome to All Around the World. Today we are going to explore ECR Road, East Coast Road of Chennai, the most beautiful city in South India, Singara Chennai. I wish to portray the beauty of Chennai for that means Corona rules and all. We started driving from our home. So we can see this is monsoon season here. So all the trees are flourished with the greens and all. So nice scenery we can see. Always Chennai is very beautiful, and because of monsoon is seems to be very beautiful. Traffic is very less, so we don't want to chase other vehicles. So we are going very slow, and we are going to Akkare beach actually. There we will get live fishes, and always we are buying from there. Whenever we are in Chennai, we will go there and we'll buy live fishes from there. And people in the beach, they are very good. And people mostly in Chennai, they all are very good. Their hospitality, I love very much. And here we will come nearing the signal. From the signal, if we are going right side, we can go to Pondicherry, our favorite place. And now today we are going left side for towards Palavakam. There, my favorite shop is there. I'll show you the shop first. Then we can go to the Akare beach. We took the turn to the left side towards the shop. This is the shop I told you. Here we will get all the terracotta items, and this is maintained by one old lady and his son. And more almost 10 years continuously I'm buying from their shop. It's very good shop. She is maintaining like anything. We can see the beauty of that traditional beauty of Tamil Nadu. This is actually one beautiful art. See the sculpture of this lady. We are getting jealous on her, right? She is looking so pretty, and I love to do all these things. I purchased one pot from there for mural art. I like to do that, and this is a shop. She is the only person maintaining this shop. I am seeing her past 10 years. This is in ECR Road, and nearby one cane shop is also there. We will get a cane. What you call all the art items, sofas, money plants, and all this. She's a lady. She's doing all this painting done by her. I'm appreciating her for her work and patience. And this is one of the beauty of in the street through that area. I always will see that place, and I will admire whenever I am going that side. Then we will get 100 to 150 range, mostly small items and all, and more than about 1,500 at that range also we will get nice painting, nice work and all. And her son is also helping her for that, and I am appreciating him for taking an effort and respecting his mother. These paintings and all the lady is doing there. I love her work and dedication to this field. This is so good, and the colors she chosen is always nearing to the mud color and all. It's very good shop. If you are going that side, you can buy something from there. And this is a very good shop. Inside, a lot of collection is there because of pandemic. I didn't went inside. From outside, I just saw and I purchased one pot for me for the record. This is the shop I told you for cane items you will get. Now we are turning to Akare Beach, and this is a way like canopy. This is a very good way. We will feel that we are in a forest, like, and we will think Chennai is not green, but this is a place we can see the beauty of Chennai. And this road is seems to be canopy or something like that. This is very near to beach, so people are very less. All most of the days we can see much crowd here, and from here it is very tough to drive. Now it's very empty because people are not there because of the pandemic. We can pray we have to come out from all this pandemic, all this tough situation soon. And it's almost time is almost 5:30 now. See, people are very less, so we are nearing the beach. So I wish that I should get live fishes. So beach is very empty, nobody is there. People are just sitting in home. That is very good. We are appreciating Chennai because they are following the rules. So the policeman, he told us 5 minutes will give, just enjoy and come back soon. More than 5 minutes will not allow to stand there and see the seashore and see waves and all. So these are the boats going for fishing. Here I am buying the live fishes and all. But today, no fisherman, no fishers. It's little pain in my mind. Okay, they are not able to do their work, and we are not able to get the fishes. And here I saw sea little went inside, and that seashore become little big here. I don't know why. See sunset slowly we can see, but here it's not much visible. Sea also very quiet. I don't know what sea and earth is telling the secret. They are also in pain, I think. Always I love waves from the sea. Without stopping, the sea waves are coming to the earth and going back. They are not getting bored each other. The seashore and the waves. So I love always the sea because we are seeing the waves and the water on the top and the seashores, but actually the sea inside, the depth of the sea, that is actually very meaningful. And I saw a very clean beach. I saw one biscuit packet there, except that nothing was there. So very clean, very clean maintained. Thank you the people who is behind this, who is keeping the beach very clean. We can enjoy the waves for a while. He told only 5 minutes. I'm just turning back and seeing him that when he will call us, he means policeman. He is there. He's with his jeep. He is standing there and watching us. We are 4 people. By keeping the social distancing and all, my friend is having one dog with him. It's nice to see how many times or in a day full or year full if we are watching sea, we will not get bored because every time when we are seeing the sea is telling many stories to us. Each and every 5 minutes is showing. He is calling. So we are going back, and the moon on the sky, that also in sad mood. And we are returning to our vehicle. See, the place is very clean and neat. The streets and all is very clean, and the climate is very good. This is the time we can travel, but unfortunately because of COVID we can't move anywhere. But this place is very beautiful. This can what you call, give us some calmness and peace in our mind, because I'm very happy to see always easier road, and most of the places in Chennai is very beautiful, but the way we are approaching is wrong. So we have to select the correct place, and we have to go in the correct time, and we should go taking time, and we should enjoy. Then we can portray the beauty of Chennai. I'll show you each and every corner of Chennai. So today I choose easier because it's near to me. So we are on the way back to home. So a little drive we are enjoying, and we love one bridge here, and I'll show you that bridge also. So we can see beauty either each side of the road. So this is a place. This bridge almost 5 years back, I think, constructed. So these are the new flats constructed here. You can see the place, how neat it is, how neatly they are maintaining the flats, and what is the, see, it's looking like a painting. This is Chennai. This is the beauty of Chennai. So you can understand what is Chennai now. Chennai is not a hot city or dust city or dirty city. It's not like that at all. It's a very beautiful city I ever seen, and very people are very loving, caring, and what do you call, the hospitality of Chennai is appreciable. So I love Chennai. I like to live in Chennai, and the people in Chennai, I love them. And this is the safest place for ladies. That is one very important thing I want to tell you, that convey to you, that the safest place for ladies. We can travel in midnight also, so nobody will come and do something to us. I don't want to mention all those things. So this is the place I love. I am relaxing. So everywhere we can see the beauty, see the sky, and we are on the way back. Toll they started collecting. I paid two places. It's almost 53 rupees up and down. Nice place. It's almost 6:30 like that. You can see the beauty of Chennai. Meanwhile, I came to Nilgiris for purchasing some frozen fish because I didn't get fish from there. So here, this is the shop, one Nilgiris branch I am always visiting, because everything I'll get here. This is a very good place, and this is actually in Pallikarni. This is Basa fish. I'm trying to just get 2 packets. She's having only 1 packet. A nice place. We will get everything here. We know we don't want to go many places. The only shop, 2 branches is there in nearby places. One is in Pallikarni and another is in Kirkatle. So all these 2 Nilgiris branch I love very much, because we'll get everything here. So I purchased this basa fish. I thought I'll get live fishes from Akare, but unfortunately I didn't get. So I love this shop because neatly arranged. The people serving in the shop, they are also very good. So most of the things we'll get. We need we need that basically to the home. We will get all those things. Because of Corona, I don't want to go to many shops and all. We can purchase from particularly from one shop, means it's easy for us. We know where it is. When our needed things and all, directly we can go there and collect it. We can bill it and come back. So I like to purchase some fruits also. I love peanut butter. Next time I want to show you another place in ECR itself. ECR itself we are having lot of places. So today, because it's little rainy and monsoon, no vegetables. Vegetables are very less here. I'll try fruits. Let us see. Fruits are there, all empty. Oh, fruits are also very less. Okay, nearby one Paramudir Chola is there. Let us try there. I'll send my friend there. Okay. I want to tell you that most of the places in ECR and most of the places in Chennai, North Madras or South Madras, we are having many places we can enjoy. That we should have the mentality to enjoy. So if you are thinking that okay, we can't enjoy, we have to go to a particular place, Ooty, like that, really we can enjoy. It's nothing like that. Everywhere beauty is there. Nature is always blessing us with, or blessed us with beautiful its own beauty, that green and the wood and woods and all. This is a place always I am just purchasing. And we are on the way back to home. And one more thing, recently one bridge opened near to airport. And recently means 2 days before, I want to go through that bridge because I want to see the bridge. For past 5 years we are waiting to see the bridge, how it is. I want to see that. This is a bridge. Yeah, good. So lot of speed breakers are there in between, because controlling the speed, that is the good idea. This is looking like I'm in Dubai or somewhere else. It's good. So very easy to reach airport from Cromwell to airport. It's very good. Traffic is very less because the bridge is open. That's the very important point I want to tell you, that and down also one road is going under the bridge. There also I didn't see much traffic when I'm coming. Now we are going back to home. This is we can see, so within 3 minutes we reached the airport, thanks to the brain. Because of mist, camera is not much clear. So this here airport area is starting. See the beauty of Chennai. So we can see the reddish, pinkish, yellowish, the beautiful bright like that Chennai is getting ready after 6 o'clock till 1 o'clock like that. So the beauty of Chennai, if you want to see fully, we have to travel in the night. Really, really awesome. She's looking like a bride. It's very good. I'm in love with Chennai. See the beauty. Nice city. Next toll, the second toll. So next time I'll come back to you with another video. The same ECR. I'll show you how another part of ECR. Thank you so much. Please like, share and subscribe. See you with another video soon. Till then, bye.